How to fix Microsoft Office error 30029-4 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, fix 2. Repair the Office installation. Delete all files within the Office file cache folder. Press Shift+Del to delete it quickly. After clearing the cache, restart your computer and attempt to install/use Office again. If that didn't work, select Office and Office Apps and click Next. Next, choose I have Office 365 subscription, but I'm having trouble installing it, or another option that fits your situation, option and click Next. Click Yes to begin a scan. Follow instructions after to fix the issue.